Hello fellows, we are discussing arithmetic progression exercise 1.3. So today's section I am going to solve the next problem, fourth one. Look at the question. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 so on must be taken to give a sum of 636. So here they given one AP, that is 9, 17, 25, and also they given here sum, means Sn they given 636, and we want to find out n here, how many terms in that AP, right? So let me solve here. Let there be n terms of this AP. So n be the nth term of this AP, and first term A is 9 here, and also they given here Sn. Sn is 636. Is it clear? And find out here common difference. So common difference is A2 minus A1. So here A2 is 17 minus A1 is 9. So 17 minus 9 we got 8 here. So common difference is 8. So now as we know that Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So it is standard formula for the sum of nth term of a AP. Is it clear? So now substitute the value here. So Sn they only given how much? 636. So 636, and this equal to n we don't know, keep as it is, and 2 into A is 9 plus n minus 1 as it is, and D is 8 here. Is it clear? So now 636 as it is, and this equal to n by 2 into 2 into 9 is 18 plus n minus 1 as it is, and into 8 as it is. So now here 636 as it is, and n by 2 also as it is. Now in these two terms we can take 2 as a common. So here 2 comes outside. So remaining 9 plus n minus 1 into 4. 2 into 9 is 18, and 2 into 4 is 8. Is it clear? So now these two get cancelled. So write down remaining terms here. 636 equal to n into 9. So here n into 4 is plus 4n, and minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Any doubt here? So now 636 as it is, n in a bracket 9 minus 4 is 5 plus 4n. So now 636 as it is, n into 5 is 5n, n into 4n is 4n square. Is it clear? So now this 636 goes in a RHS side, it become a minus. So 4n square plus 5n minus 636, and this equal to 0. So here we got quadratic equation, right? So solve this quadratic equation. Here we want to find out two factors, right? Minus 636 into 4. So these two multiplication we got 2544. So in multiplication we want 2544, and add or subtract we want 5. So find out the two factors. The two factors are 53 and 48. So make these two multiplication, we got 2544, and make the subtraction, we got 5 here, right? So write down here 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636, this equal to 0. So make these two multiplication, we got 2544 and 53 minus 48 is 5. Is it clear? And now in these two terms I will take n common, so take outside, remaining 4n plus 53. And similarly here also in these two terms I will take minus 12 common, so remaining term 4n plus 53 and this equal to 0. 12 into 4n is a 48n and a minus 12 into 53 is minus 636. Is it clear? So now these two terms are common, take outside 4n plus 53 and remaining here n minus 12, so n minus 12 and this equal to 0. So we can write 4n plus 53 equal to 0 or n minus 12 equal to 0. So here 4n equal to minus 53 or n equal to 12. So here n equal to minus 53 by 4 or n equal to 12. So here we have n value 2, but we know that the n cannot be in a negative or fraction. So here I will consider n is 12, right? So write down here n cannot be minus 53 by 4, because as we know that the number of terms can neither be negative nor fraction. So therefore n equal to 12 only. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next question. The first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and a common difference. So here they given the first term is 5 and the last term L or AN is 45 and their sum SN they given, and we want to find out here the number of term means n we want to find out and a common difference d we want to find here. So let me solve here. Given that, so first term is 5, so a equal to 5 and a last term is 45, so L equal to 45 and a sum they given, so SN is 400. Is it clear? And here we want to find out n and d. As we know that Sn equal to n by 2 a plus L, because here we have first term and a last term, so I will consider this formula, right? So it is easy to find out n, or we can use Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So use this one also, we will get n value. I will use this formula. So now Sn is 400 and this equal to n by 2 and first term is 5 plus last term is 45. So now here 400 n by 2 as it is, 5 plus 45 is 50 and now 2 ones are 2, 25 is 50. So here 400 equal to 25 into n and now 25 ones are 25, 25 16s are 400, right? So this implies n equal to 16. Any doubt? And now we want to find out d, and as we know that L equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, or an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, both are same here, right? So L value they only given, that is 45, last term is 45, and a also they given, that is 5 plus n is 16 minus 1 into d as it is. So here 45, and this 5 comes in a LHS side, it become a minus, so minus 5, and this equal to 16 minus 1 is 15d. Any doubt here? So now 45 minus 5 is 40, and this equal to 15d. So now d equal to 40 by 15, so this equal to 8 by 3. So therefore d is 8 by 3. Any doubt? So write down the conclusion here. Therefore n is 16 and d is 8 by 3. Is it clear? So well students, look at the next problem. The first and last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? So here they given first term, that is 17, and the last term is 350, and also they given here the common difference is 9, and we want to find out how many terms, it means n we want to find out here, and what is their sum, it means Sn we want to find out here, right? So let me solve here. Solution: given that first term a is 17 and the last term L is 350, and also they given common difference, that is 9, and here we want to find n. So let their nth terms in the AP. So as we know that L equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So L they given 350, and this equal to a first term they only given 17, n minus 1 as it is, and d is 9. So now here 350 and this 17 comes this side, this become a minus 17, and this equal to n minus 1 into 9. So 350 minus 17 become a 333, and this equal to n minus 1 into 9. So here 9 ones are 9, 9 37s are 333. So now write down remaining term here. 37 equal to n minus 1. So n equal to 37 plus 1. So it is 38. So write down here n is 38. So number of terms here 38, and now we want to find out their sum. So as we know that Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus L, right? So now substitute the value here. N is 38 divided by 2, and a first term is 17 plus L is 350. So now here, so 2 ones are 2, 19s are 38. So 19 into 17 plus 350 become a 367. So make these two multiplication, we got 6973. Their sum is 6973. So write down the conclusion here. Therefore this AP contains 38 terms and the sum of the terms of this AP is 6973. Is it clear? So well students, look at the next problem. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So here they given common difference is 7 and 22nd term is 149, and we want to find out the sum of first 22 terms. Is it clear? So let me solve here. Solution: given D equal to 7 and they given 22 term is 149, means A22 is 149, and they asked here find the sum of first 22, means S22. Is it clear? Sum of means S22, term means A22. Is it clear? So now as we know that AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A22 they given, so A22, N is replaced by 22, so A plus 22 minus 1 into D. So now A22 is 149, they only given, and A is don't know, keep as it is A, and 22 minus 1 is 21 into D is 7 here. So now here 149 and this equal to A plus 21 into 7 is 147. So now A equal to 149 minus 147. So make this subtraction, we got 2. So here A is 2. So now we want to find out here S22. So write down here, as we know that Sn equal to n by 2 A plus An. S22 equal to 22 by 2. So A is here only we got 2 plus An they only given 149, right? So here 2 1s are 2, 11s are 22. So now 11 into 2 plus 149 is 151. So 11 into 151 is 1661. So therefore S22 equal to 1661. Is it clear?